Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Learning. I'm Mark.
And I'm Anna. Hello to all our wonderful listeners.
How are you feeling today, Anna?
I'm feeling hungry, Mark.
Hungry? Oh, that's perfect, because today we're going to a restaurant.
A restaurant? That sounds delicious.
Yes, today we'll learn how to order food in English. This is very useful.
I agree. Everyone needs to eat, and sometimes we eat at restaurants.
Exactly. Whether you're traveling or living in an English-speaking country, you need to know restaurant English.
So, what will we learn today?
We'll listen to a conversation between you and a waiter at a restaurant.
Oh, I'm the customer?
Yes, you'll order food, and we'll learn all the important phrases together.
That's exciting. I love learning practical English.
Me too. Before we start, let's ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes. Please subscribe to our channel if you enjoy learning with us.
And don't forget to click the like button.
And share this lesson with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much. Now, are you ready to go to the restaurant, Anna?
I'm ready, and I'm really hungry. Let's go.
Here we go.
Welcome to Sunny Restaurant. How many people?
Just one person. Only me.
You're welcome. Here's your menu. Take your time and look at it.
Thank you.
Would you like something to drink first?
Yes, please. Can I have water?
Of course. Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
No problem. I'll bring that right away. I'll come back in a few minutes to take your order.
Thank you.
Okay, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'm ready. Can I ask a question first?
Of course. What would you like to know?
What is the soup of the day?
Today we have tomato soup. It's very good.
That sounds delicious. I'll have the tomato soup.
Great choice. And for your main course, what would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Excellent. How would you like your chicken cooked? Well done or medium?
Well done, please.
Perfect. And which vegetables would you like? We have broccoli, carrots, or a mixed salad.
I'll have the mixed salad, please.
Wonderful. Would you like any bread with your meal?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Perfect. Your soup will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Here is your tomato soup. Be careful, it's very hot.
Thank you. It smells wonderful.
Enjoy your soup. Your chicken will be ready soon.
Great, thank you.
Here is your grilled chicken with mixed salad and bread. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. This looks delicious.
You're welcome. Is everything okay? Do you need anything else?
Everything is perfect. Thank you.
Wonderful. Enjoy. How was everything? Did you enjoy your meal?
It was delicious. I loved the chicken.
I'm so glad to hear that. Would you like dessert? We have chocolate cake, ice cream, and apple pie.
What do you recommend?
The chocolate cake is very popular. It's our specialty.
Okay, I'll try the chocolate cake, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like coffee or tea with that?
I'd like tea, please. Green tea.
Perfect. I'll bring those right away. Here is your chocolate cake and green tea. Enjoy.
Thank you. Excuse me, can I have the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here is your check. You can pay here or at the counter.
I'll pay here. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards and cash.
Great. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. Just one moment, please. Here you go. Please sign here.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. The food was great. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Come back soon.
And that was our restaurant conversation. How did it feel, Anna?
It felt great. The food was delicious, even in my imagination.
I'm glad. Now, let's talk about what happened. There are many useful phrases here.
Yes, let's start from the beginning. The waiter said, "How many people?"
Right. This is a common question at restaurants. They want to know how many people are eating.
I said, "Just one person, only me."
Perfect. You can also say, "Table for one, please," or "I'm alone."
The waiter said, "Follow me, please." That means, walk with me, right?
Exactly. The waiter will take you to your table. Then he gave you the menu.
Yes, a menu is a list of all the food and drinks. It's very important.
Right. Then the waiter asked, "Would you like something to drink first?"
This is polite language. Would you like is more polite than do you want?
Excellent point. At restaurants, people use polite language. You used it too. You said, "Can I have water?"
Yes, can I have is a polite way to order. I can also say, I'd like or I'll have.
Perfect. The waiter asked about still water or sparkling water. What's the difference?
Still water is normal water. Sparkling water has bubbles. It's fizzy.
Exactly. Then the waiter said, "I'll come back in a few minutes."
This gives me time to look at the menu and decide what to eat.
Right. When the waiter came back, he asked, "Are you ready to order?"
If you're ready, you say yes. If you need more time, you say, not yet, please. A few more minutes.
Good. You asked, "What is the soup of the day?"
Yes, soup of the day is a special soup that changes every day. It's usually very fresh.
Great explanation. Then you ordered soup and the main course. What's a main course?
The main course is the biggest part of your meal, the main food, like chicken, fish, or pasta.
Perfect. The waiter asked how you want your chicken cooked. Well done or medium?
Well done means cooked completely. Medium means cooked a little less. Still safe, but softer.
Exactly. This is common for meat. You can also say rare, medium rare, or well done.
Then I chose my vegetables, mixed salad, broccoli, or carrots.
Right. Many restaurants let you choose your side dish. That's the food that comes with your main course.
The waiter brought the soup first and said, "Be careful, it's very hot."
Yes, this is a kind warning. Always blow on hot food before eating.
Then he brought the main course and said, "Enjoy your meal."
This is a very common phrase. It means, "I hope you like your food." Very polite and friendly.
Later, he came back and asked, "Is everything okay?"
This is the waiter checking on you. If something is wrong, you can tell him now.
But everything was perfect. So I said, "Everything is perfect. Thank you."
Good. After eating the main course, the waiter asked about dessert.
Dessert is sweet food after the meal, like cake, ice cream, or pie.
Right. You asked, "What do you recommend?" That means, what do you think is good?
Yes, this is useful when you can't decide. The waiter knows the food well.
The waiter recommended the chocolate cake. It's their specialty. That means it's their best dish.
I also ordered tea with my cake. Tea and coffee are common with dessert.
Perfect. Finally, you said, "Can I have the check, please?"
The check is the bill. It shows how much money I need to pay.
Exactly. In British English, they say bill. In American English, they say check. Both are correct.
I asked, "Do you accept credit cards?" This is important to know.
Yes, most restaurants accept cards, but some only take cash. Always good to ask.
Then I paid and said goodbye.
And the waiter said, "Come back soon." This is a friendly way to say goodbye at restaurants.
Wow, Mark, we learned so much today.
We did. Let's review some key phrases quickly.
Okay, for ordering, can I have, I'd like, I'll have.
For asking questions, what is the soup of the day? What do you recommend?
For saying thank you. This looks delicious. Everything is perfect.
For paying, can I have the check, please? Do you accept credit cards?
These phrases are so useful. Everyone should know them.
I agree. Now, let's ask our listeners a question.
Yes, here's our question. What's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Great question. Please write your answer in the comments below.
We love reading your comments. It helps you practice writing in English, too.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Click the like button and share with your friends.
Thank you all for learning with us today. Practice these phrases next time you go to a restaurant.
Remember, don't be afraid to speak. Waiters are very helpful and patient.
That's right. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun learning English.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you soon.